First step, download Play Store on Amazon Fire Tablet. First, we need to install Google Play Store on the tablet. Go to Settings greater than Security and Privacy greater than Apps from unknown sources. Enable permissions for Silk Browser. Open Silk Browser and navigate to bing.com. Search for How to Download Play Store on Amazon Tablets. Click on the first result, which will take you to the howtogeek.com website. Scroll down the page and start downloading the required Google APK files. Important: make sure to download the files that match your tablet's version. Once all files are downloaded, go to Downloads and install the files in order from right to left, meaning install the first downloaded file first. After installing all 4 files, restart your tablet. Do not open Google Play Store before restarting. Once the tablet restarts, open Google Play, search for YouTube Kids, and install it. At this point, YouTube Kids is installed on the parent profile, but our goal is to move it to the child's profile. Let's continue. Open Amazon App Store and search for an app launcher. In this case, we use a paid app called QuickApps, which costs $1.99, one-time payment. It works perfectly for our needs, but you can try other free alternatives if you prefer. After installing the app, go to Settings greater than Device Options greater than About Fire Tablet. Tap serial number 7 times until Developer Options is enabled. If already enabled, skip this step. Open Developer Options. Enable Developer Options if not already active. Scroll down to Debugging and enable USB debugging. Connect your tablet to your PC or laptop via USB cable. Setting up on the computer. Open, the provided link will be in the video description, and download Android SDK platform tools. Follow my instructions shown in the video. In the terminal, copy and paste the commands provided in the video description. You'll need to find your child's profile number. For example, in my case, I see 3 different numbers because we have 3 tablets. Select the profile that matches your child's tablet. In this example, our profile number is 12, so we use 12 in the commands. Your number will be different, so replace it accordingly. Once you run the command, YouTube Kids will now be added to your child's profile. Final step: activate App Launcher on the child's profile. Open Manage Content greater than Shared from your library greater than Apps. Look for the installed app launcher and enable it. Open App Launcher. If you're using QuickApps, search for YouTube Kids inside the app. Add it to favorites. From now on, every time you open QuickApps, YouTube Kids will be readily available. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more guides. Best of luck.